Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video is a cooking video. As you can tell by the title, I am doing mole de pollo, which is chicken mole. It's very easy. There's two types of way that I usually do mole. This is the salty way and I like doing the sweet one as well. But for today's video, I am using Doña Maria. So without further ado, let's get right into the ingredients. For the ingredients, you're going to take whatever type of chicken you like. I right here personally like chicken thighs and chicken breast. And you're going to take some salt, seasoning salt for your chicken when you boil it. For the sauce itself, you're going to use a jar of Doña Maria mole, some cilantro, some onion, a piece of jalapeno, depending on how spicy you like it. Add as much as you want, and a piece of lemon. So this part right here is completely optional. You don't have to do this, but my husband likes it, so I went ahead and did it anyways. But if you do decide to do this, make sure you do this the night before you do the meal. The longer you leave it soaking in lemon, it's going to take the strongness of the onion away. So just cut it up like onion rings and then fill it up all the way to the top with lemon, and you can add a little bit of salt if you want. And then just cover it up and put it in the fridge overnight. So for the sauce itself, you're going to want to blend the cilantro, the onion, the jalapeno, and the Doña Maria. Because the Doña Maria is very, very thick when you cook it, you want to add water so it can be thinned out. So in this case, I used about 3 of those cups that it comes in. No salt is necessary with this because the Doña Maria already has salt. Alright guys, so now in your pan that you have, you add a little bit of oil. I just used Masola corn oil, and then you're going to add your sauce into here para que se guise un poquito. So you want to make sure you are constantly mixing this just because it can stick to the bottom of the pan. And I like to use a spatula when it comes to like these type of stuff because it's easy to get and scoop anything that is sticking or... Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken to here. It's better if you do this like in the morning and you leave it like sitting the entire day and then serve it for dinner because it absorbs all the flavors. I have always said that it tastes better, but as you can see, I started my video pretty late today, so. And that is all you have to do, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. It was pretty easy, pretty simple, easy steps to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.